When I was younger in Malaysia, we have a large family and friends, so my mother and grandmother will cook an amazing feast. But now that I'm a little bit older, it's more about reunion dinners with my immediate family and friends. It's all about reconnecting and just enjoying each other's company during Chinese New Year. During Chinese New Year, one of my favorite things to do is to actually help my mum make this vegetable stew with fermented bean curd, Chinese leaves, carrots and straw mushrooms. It's so delicious. It's one of those things that actually my mum and I bond during Chinese New Year. One of my signature dishes is my braised caramel pork belly in soy sauce. It calls for really good soy sauce, and one of those you can use is Coombes Premium Light Soy Sauce. I use oyster sauce and light soy sauce as an alternative to salt. I make curries, I make stews with them. I'm currently experimenting soy sauce ice cream. My mum uses Coombes sauce as long as I can remember. There's always a bottle in the fridge. So Coombes to me is home cooking, and it reminds me so much of my mum. I use it all the time. I use it for stir fries, for marinating, for steaming, and for making dressing. For more delicious and authentic Coombes recipes, please like, share and subscribe.